my tire is good. So the road service is here to repair my tire on the way on the highway. It's I-91 northbound. Exit 5, right before the I-90 toward Massachusetts. I'm not waiting for 1.5 hours. It's okay, I got some very good rest. It's on the highway. You see the trailers are just passing from my shoulder. 3-lane highway. Some crazy trucker, he's going in the central lane. Some of them going just close to my trailer. See, my trailer is in the back. He's also going. So it's very dangerous also, and I put my triangle signs. It is very important to put the triangle. See, the triangles are shining. 3 triangle signs. They are shining on the back also, and it shows your truck is broke down and you are on the danger area. And this is the exit also. I just go towards the highway, not on the exit. If I go on the exit, so see the triangles are there, 3 triangles. These are the DOT requirement. You must put the triangle so the cars behind coming very fast, 70-80 miles per hour, so they can see the vehicle parked there. And this exit, you see, if I park on the, I can bring it here, but on the right hand side tire here is changing right now. See, they do everything on the road. It's first, and then new tire. And this exit is very narrow. If I park on the right hand side, there is no shoulder, so the road will be blocked, and then it's getting very difficult to change the tire on the right hand side because it's on the right hand side. If it will be on the left hand side, I definitely go and park maximum on the right. I cannot go more inside the ditch. Maybe it will be get down the land. That's my parking. Very nice place. It's just on the fork, and he's changing my tire now. The people are coming just 90 minutes. They always have time. Regular time is 90 minutes. It can be a little more and less also. The tire is very, very big. See, one man only changed the tire. See, they have all hydraulic inside. See the tire completely damaged, reversed. See here. At that time I was the speed of 65 miles per hour. From there you see the trailer going. I was going like this. Suddenly I noticed some noise and vibration. And I am lucky that I got this nice place to park here. Otherwise, if I own the, maybe a little more, I have to park on the shoulder, which is more dangerous. Here it is not bad because you can see it's a wider place. I made like this, just to see 3 triangles here. See, just leave this place for one trailer, pass from from here, if somebody takes the exit, you can go also. Park here. See the speeds of the trailers? Very dangerous. So these are the triangles. If I put the triangle, I can get a ticket from the cop. One cop just passed from here. He stopped by to me and asked if for any help. I said, no, it's okay. And he said, okay, you're good because you put the triangle. If I request him, he can park behind me with the light going. But I said, no, it's okay. Everything is good. And 24-hour road service. You see the speed of the car? Wow. Some nasty guys, they pass from this lane very close to my tail. So I just make my head towards right. I can go further, but there is a sign here, so I cannot go forward. Very busy highway. The time is right now almost 1:30 or 1:15. See, these triangles are very, very important. So now you can just see the blinkers also behind the triangles. They are also going. These are the that for the service, I mean the exit lane. Now you got some idea how the traffic is on the highway.